Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. The museum in the first zone catalogues the life of Sardar Patel and his contributions. An audio-visual gallery provides a 15-minute long presentation on Patel and also describes the tribal culture of the state. The concrete towers which form the statue's legs contain two elevators each. In his remembrance, the Modi government built the Statue of Unity. It has been built as one ode to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Home Minister of independent India. He was responsible for uniting all 562 princely states of the country to build the Republic of India. At 182 meters, Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. It is located on the Narmada River in the Kevadia colony, facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam.
चेस्ट लेवल पे खड़े, चेस्ट के स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर है 135 मीटर 45 फ्लोर और 450 फीट पे खड़े हैं आप नीचे म्यूजियम से आए स्टैचू की हाइट वहीं से काउंट करने में आइए जो है 182 मीटर 182 मीटर ये जाली जो आप देख रहे हो सरदार साहब के जैकेट का पोर्शन है तो सरदार साहब ने जैकेट पहने और ये जैकेट का बटन है ऊपर से नीचे से ऊपर
Garden, there are many botanical and various animals and birds at LED fountain inspired with glowing lights on display to welcome all tourists to experience the joy of night tourism. It has earned the title of being a popular destination park already, as more and more tourists are pouring in to experience the beauty of Kevadia at night. So if you liked our video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon, and we post our new videos every Tuesday. And thanks for watching. Bye.